Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen Tasmaray back with another video, and as y'all can tell by the description, the title, you already know what we get into. So y'all, I've been apartment hunting for like over a year. I would say a year and a half, 2 years. And finally, these apartments decided to call me, so I should be going to look at them today around 3. But I got some things that I have to do before I do that. It's 12:26 right now. I'm finna go to the library though, but I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog about apartment hunting, or hopefully they show me the apartment today because I haven't been inside to see it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn y'all post notification bells on so y'all can be notified every time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, so y'all already know by the description and the title that this will be an apartment. I don't even know what the title gonna be though, but yeah. I'm gonna go to the library because I gotta go print out some stuff. Well, hopefully they allow me to print because I called them earlier and they wasn't even open, I think. But I think I need to put some water on this because it look dry. I mean, not no water, but some moisturizer. But yeah, so I'll see y'all when I'm at the apartment place or when I'm in the car with my aunt. Peace. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I just got from the library. I honestly thought I wouldn't be able to get me a library card because of the money. Well, the books I owe were money towards the books that I owe when I was a jit. But I guess they bypassed that. They said, girl, you was a grown-up now. You got it. Let's see if you can handle this on your own. Because y'all know our parents be putting shit in our names when we little. So don't even do that to me. Yeah. But now I'm waiting. Actually, I'm listening to music, waiting on my auntie to get here. She said she on her way. And it's 1:41. So she'll probably be here around 2 something. And my appointment isn't until 3. I went to go get my paper copied. So I am ready to sit my ass down at that desk and fill out what I have to fill out and get my keys sometime this week. In God's name. In God's will. Okay. See y'all when I get in the car or when I get there. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they'll show me the apartment so I could get a glimpse of where I'm going to be laying my head at and all that. So, see y'all later. I tried to fix my hair up, but this is how it's going to look right now until I get this shit done. And I'm not even worried about my hair. I'm in the process of moving, getting my own shit. That's all I'm worried about, getting my own shit, being at peace. You hear me? But y'all, I'll be back. I'm going to the library. Okay, y'all. Sorry I look a mess. I'm getting ready to go to sleep. It's nighttime. It's 9:55 now. And the last time I seen y'all was like, the last time I talked to y'all was like 1 something. So I went up to the apartment. I turned in, well, I didn't turn in, but I gave them a copy of the papers that they needed. Well, the paper. And I filled out some more information. They said they would give me a call sometime this week about the place. So keep your fingers crossed. Please pray for me, like, please, because yes. I didn't get a chance to look inside. Like, I didn't get a chance to go see the apartment or how it look in the inside. But I mean, moving is right around the corner, so it don't even matter. Okay, y'all, so this is my living room. I mean, this is my front door. I'm sorry. This is my living room right here in this area. Let me come right here so y'all can see the whole thing. My hallway right there. That's the clothes closet. The kitchen. I'm cleaning up. Well, I'm finna clean up. I already got some stuff. This is probably gonna be my theme, but right now it is. I'm not sure. Mop, broom. Like I said, coat closet. My bedroom, my closet. I don't need to show y'all the outside, so yeah. My linen closet, my bathroom. I gotta show y'all the linen closet again because I put some Ajax in there. I'm gonna clean that up. The second room is small, but hey, it's a room, right? This is probably gonna be my sister's room when she come in here, when she come over. Or the Tarion room. Ain't no telling. I don't want them. This is me a London playroom. No, that's not a playroom, honey. Yeah.
Dang it. I really thought.
So let me get the cleaning. Finna clean up, and then I'll be right back with y'all because y'all know I listen to music. So if you didn't know, I love music. So I'm finna go ahead and do that. So definitely. So if y'all haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below what y'all like to see next. And I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. Peace. So the video y'all see before these clips is really, I would say, a month later. So yes, I finally got approved. Well, I've been got approved, but they didn't have no 1-bedrooms available at the time. But it's available. I already got my keys. Let me show y'all. I already got my keys, these ones. And then my stuff is in there in the back. This is gonna be like my kitchen theme color probably, because these are my favorite colors, the green, well, the blue and the pink. So we in the car getting some food. We finna go back there and clean up. I already prayed over the house, but I want my mama prayer in the house. I want my mama to,
Your mama be praying.
No. But yeah, I'm 22 and I'm finally moving out into my own place. I couldn't really show y'all the place like that because my auntie was in there and she didn't want to be on the camera. She's not used to me being on it. Why y'all being so rude? So yeah, we at Wendy's, as y'all can see. Oh, you can't see. Fuck it. Fuck it. But we at Wendy's and we getting some food. And then we go in there, clean up, let my mama pray. I will probably show y'all the house after I clean it up because I know I did not get all the footage or it don't look right. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Oh, y'all probably can watch us clean up actually.
Maybe.
So I'll see y'all when we get there. Bye.
I hope my friends don't.
It's Queen Tasmaray back with a video. Well, back to end this video and begin another video real soon. So I am in my new apartment, as y'all can tell by the title below or in the description. I'm gonna give y'all a walkthrough because I feel as though the one I did while it was a little bit, well, while it was empty, it was too fast. Like it was a 1-minute video. So I'm fit to give y'all a tour while it have a little bit of things in there. I'm not gonna say much, but it's something, you feel me? And I am thankful. Always, forever will be grateful. And I thank God for everything that he's doing for me. For real. Because, baby, y'all, whew, yes, for real. Only me and him understand. But I'm gonna get up and let y'all see. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn y'all post notification bells on so y'all can be notified every time I upload a video. And without further ado, y'all, see y'all. I might keep my bath in that design and shit.
It's like a little office.
So it is the next day. I had to come back to my dad's house to do some things for him until he got back today. So I'm just waiting until my father get back so I could head back to my house. I'm sorry if the video didn't come out how I thought it would, or if the tour was too fast, or whatever it may be. I'm gonna just apologize right now. But as I said in all my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bells on so y'all can be notified every time I upload a video. Without further, y'all, my storage is full. Like I'm in here deleting stuff. So I will see y'all in my next video. Comment down below what y'all would like to see next. Without further ado, see y'all in my next video.